How to add a background color around text. I am going to show you how you can easily add a background color around text. First, make sure you are on your computer and open up Canva, the awesome design tool. Once Canva is open, look for the Create a Design button and give it a click. Now you will see options for different types of posts, like Instagram, Facebook, and more. Choose the one from here. After picking your post type, it is time to add some text. Click on the text option from the menu. Next, click on Add a Text Box, where you can type in whatever you want to say in your post. Head over to the Element section on the left side of your screen. Find a shape that you like and drag it over to your text. Make sure it fits nicely around your words. Adjust the size of the shape so it looks just right with your text. Now move your text and shape around until they look good together in the background. Click on Position and choose Backward so your text is behind the shape. Time to add some color. Click on the color section and choose a color you like for your text. Now let us change up the background color too. Click on Background and pick a color that goes well with your text and shape. We have changed the background color. Make any final adjustments to your text and background to make sure everything looks perfect. Don't forget that you can also change the color of your text if you want. Just click on Change All and pick a new color. Click on Position again and choose Forward to make sure your text stands out nicely against the background. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.